Welcome to the world of learning analytics, where data-driven insights meet the dynamic landscape of education. My name is Tyler, and I am an AI avatar created to help you on your learning journey. In this module, we begin with the origins, definitions, and evolution of learning analytics, exploring its diverse fields and the collaborative efforts of researchers and professionals that have shaped its trajectory. From its early conceptualizations to its integration with cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence. Learning analytics traces its origins across diverse sectors, notably in business intelligence, web analytics, educational data mining, and recommendation systems. The inherent connections with these domains have spurred researchers and professionals to chart research trajectories guided by various perspectives. This collaboration not only aids in identifying the achievable objectives through learning analytics, but also in defining the necessary actions to accomplish them. Learning analytics is a relatively new area of study. According to the definition outlined in the call for papers of the first International Conference on Learning Analytics and Knowledge in 2011, learning analytics refers to the measurement, collection, analysis, and presentation of data on learners and their contexts for the purpose of understanding and optimizing learning and learning environments. In other words, learning analytics denotes the discipline focused on gathering, analyzing, and communicating data related to students with the aim of comprehending and enhancing pedagogy, as noted by Rivoltella in 2003. The Horizon Report of 2016 addresses learning analytics as an educational application of web data analysis, focusing on profiling students through the collection and analysis of individual student interactions in online learning activities. Throughout our discussion, it becomes evident that learning analytics is not confined to a single domain, but rather adaptable to a significant portion of educational research, leveraging pre-existing data and sophisticated techniques capable of managing big data. Before the widespread adoption of online learning, educational environments were already inclined towards emphasizing research and evaluation. In 1979, the Survey Research Department of the Open University in the UK conducted a pioneering analysis, specifically examining the progress achieved over a decade by a large sample of distance learners in individual courses and at various stages of the academic year. This early endeavor marked the beginning of an era characterized by what one researcher, McIntosh, described as an explosion of data, presenting both challenges and opportunities for effective utilization. In 1997, the scholar Tinto published studies on factors influencing student perseverance, drawing upon a substantial database amassed over approximately 20 years. This database encompassed a wide variety of institutional contexts and student profiles. The synthesis of research on student perseverance and the emphasis on the importance of academic and social integration received considerable acclaim from institutional contexts involved in such studies. These contexts were oriented towards exploring analytical techniques to address the challenge of student dropout rates. During that time, online learning and interaction were in their initial phases, and only a few institutions used online communication systems like first class and virtual learning environments such as Top Class and WebCT. Early researchers in the field recognized that communities could exist online, and the notion that collaborative learning could be achieved online slowly took shape. Meanwhile, with the onset of the new millennium, the landscape was evolving, paving the way for the emergence of the second generation of the web, the read-write web. This marked a turning point, introducing new possibilities for gathering web content from diverse sources, processing and exchanging results with other software. Simultaneously, there was a rapid growth of VLEs during this period. In numerical terms, considering data from the United Kingdom, it is observed that while in 1994, 7% of higher education institutions utilized a virtual learning environment, VLE, there was a significant increase by 2001, reaching peaks of 40%. This phenomenon continued to surge, stabilizing around 85% by 2003. This upswing resulted in a substantial availability of extensive data sets for analysis. The field of data mining in the educational sector gradually emerged, with Romero and Ventura attributing its origins to 1995. In general, data mining is a branch of computer science that employs various techniques on databases, such as decision tree construction, induction rules, artificial neural networks, instance-based learning, Bayesian learning, logic programming, and statistical algorithms. The aim is to discover and visualize patterns in previously unknown and potentially valuable data. Thank you for joining me. The lesson will continue in part 2.